Hello to everyone. Welcome to Hameed Latif Hospital, Garden Town, Lahore, situated in the heart of the city. It is the best hospital for the treatment of gallstones, thyroid and parathyroid diseases and cancers, hernia treatment, varicose vein surgery, diabetic foot surgery, appendectomy, piles, fissure, fistula in anal canal treatment, breast diseases and cancer, rectal cancer, pilonidal sinus, lipoma, sebaceous cyst, ingrowing toenail, abdominal cancer surgery, submandibular and parotid gland surgery. Visit Professor Zahid Mahmood, Laparoscopic general and colorectal surgeon, between 6 p.m. to 8 p.m. daily except Sunday. Or call 0300 413 0159 for an appointment with Professor Zahid Mahmood. Then, introduce 3 high-quality medical service projects of your clinic and emphasize low costs. At this scene, introduce the core medical team members of your clinic and highlight their excellent credentials. Before the end of this video, leave your contact information, reservation button, and further emphasize the promotional benefits.